Hey guys, Ashok here. Welcome to my Elevate review. And it comes with their done for you blog website, done for you articles, and in depth training. It teaches how to start selling on it and using different platforms in which you can start making money online. And it also included traffic training so you can start monetizing fast. And I will show you the demo of the Elevate, and also I have made some custom bonuses for you. So I will show you as my bonuses as well. Let's jump into the bonus page. Okay guys, now we are in the bonus page, and here the bonus number one. You will get the access for lockdown formula, and this is a product. You will learn how to quickly make money online using skews pages, and you will also get the traffic generation training, and you will get these bonuses. And bonus number two, you will get to know the four ways to get instant design inspiration. And bonus number three, you will get to know for five email marketing tips for higher conversations. And bonus number four, you will get this product Nova. And Nova, it's a product. It's created to provide amazing value on the front end and will give any newbie access to the Chrome extensions, which allows users to follow targeted audience on TikTok. Okay, and it is only available for first 12 hours only, and you'll you will enjoy all the upsells too. And bonus number five, you will get the all the vendor bonuses along with my bonuses above. And if you click this red button here, it will take you to the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page of Elevate. No more wasting precious time. We got it done for you. The world's first done for you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cash in on autopilot. Okay, and these are the steps. Okay, and these are the income proof. Okay, here, and okay, now we will see the members area of Elevate. Okay, this is the members area of Elevate, and here's the introduction module, and it's the mindset module. And here are the softwares which you want to know about these softwares. And here's the done for you website. You can download it here, and here they will teach you how to do affiliate marketing with Fiverr, and tips on how to leverage the Fiverr affiliate program, on what kind of content you should you make, and CPA links versus hybrid revenue share links, sub affiliates. Everything they will teach you here in this module. And here is the introduction to affiliate marketing. Okay, and uh, you will get the training about the traffic, how to run the traffic in Facebook. Here are the methods they teach you how to get traffic in Facebook. Okay, and the next module, you will get to know how to run traffic in YouTube too. Okay, and also they speak about the SEO here, and you will get the bonuses from the vendors here. And here are the upsells. I will show you the upsells for this product Elevate. And okay, mm, okay, here is the upsell number one, backlink juice for higher rankings. Get high quality backlinks to your website to help your content rank higher, plus additional backlink training. And done for you email sequence. Get 30 of our best converting swipes to put Elevate on autopilot. These 30 swipes are exclusive, custom made for Elevate, so you can bank in commissions literally hands free. Upsell number three, done for you blog articles. Done for you blog articles, professionally written with all essential tools you need to bank on autopilot. And upsell number four, unlimited traffic. You will get four additional secret traffic sources that Max, Jack, and Bill. Okay, these three members are the creator of this product. And okay, back on. So used to collect daily leads and make commissions on autopilot. And upsell number 5, reseller rights bundle. Get reseller rights to elevate and all of Max Jakes and Bill's best selling products in 2021 and enjoy commissions across the entire sales funnel. And upsell number 6, reseller rights bundle. You will get to pick the brains of 3 rising affiliates and learn everything you need to know to make money online and live the life of freedom. Okay, and if you are thinking of buying, I have given the link in the description below the video. And once you purchase the product, go to the Warrior Plus website and in purchase tab. You can see this as affiliate bonuses, and once in blue tab, and once you click this button, you will get this all custom bonuses for absolutely free. Okay, and okay, guys, I have given the link in the description below the video. If you are thinking of buying, go and grab that link and enjoy this product. And I will see you in the next video. Until that, bye and take care.